Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. As you guys can see, today's video is going to be a DIY video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these super cute pink pattern floors. It was super cheap. I spent about $50 total to make this little section. Okay guys, so I got this flooring from Home Depot. I'm gonna put the exact flooring in the description so you guys don't make a mistake and purchase the wrong thing. But these are really cheap flooring. They go for about 97 cents each. And I just got a box of 30 and it came out to like $26 or probably less than that. Again, I'm gonna put in the description so you guys don't get confused, because this is the type of floor where you just peel off the paper on the back and you stick it. It's not like a solid tile. And also the pinks, the pink paints that I got, this one is called powdered pink and the hot pink is called Kenny's Kiss. And I'm going to put all of that in the description just in case you guys forget. So this one is the powdered pink and it's a baby pink. I'm just going to go ahead and start rolling on the color. When you guys first get the tiles, it's going to feel like textured. But once you paint them, it comes out fine. It doesn't look like marbled or textured or anything. It just looks like a flat paint. And I also want to add that the type of paint that I got is semi-permanent. No, not semi-permanent. It's semi-gloss. Yeah, semi-permanent. What am I talking about right now? Yeah, it's semi-gloss. So it's not too glossy, but it's not too matte. You don't want your floor to look too matte because then it will look too plain, and you don't want it to be too glossy because it will reflect from your pictures. So yes, get semi-gloss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward the video so that you guys are not sitting here watching me paint tiles all freaking day. I did 3 coats of each color. Like on each tile I did 3 coats of paint just to make sure that none of that marble was showing through and everything was just like a flat pink. And as you guys can see, my dog was trying to eat the paint. She ended up with a pink nose, but good thing she's a girl. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint all of these tiles and then I'm gonna move on to the next color. I didn't want to pour out both of the paints at the same time because I didn't want the darker paint to dry up. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with that dark paint shade. It's called Kenny's Kiss. And I'm just going to roll it on the other tiles that I have laid out. But you guys can't really see that because it's on the other side. So I just showed one tile. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish up all of the other hot pink tiles off of camera. Again, do 3 coats, guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a lot of paint left in the paint jars, which I'm super happy about. Just in case if I need more flooring, like if I want to do the whole right side of my room, I have all of this extra paint. I could have done this with sample jars, I believe, because I didn't use that much paint. So this is how the floor looks so far. I did 3 coats of paint, and I think that is pretty opaque. Like, I'm not seeing any marble, so I'm just gonna stop at 3 coats. Don't want to do 4. This is a back killer, guys. So now I didn't go to the dollar store to get foam board to put these on, so I'm gonna try to find something in my house that I have that's flat, like a cardboard box, maybe something that I can stick these floorings to make it appear as if it's a floor. So yeah, let me go ahead and try to find something. Guys, so for this part, I'm using my phone to shoot this because I already started. So I got foam board from the dollar store. They all were $1. I got 7 pieces because I'm just doing my, basically my photo shoot corner. So I just lined the pieces up on the floor and I made the tape like double-sided so that the foam board wouldn't move. And then I had to cut a piece out here and I'm going to tape it so that that stays all together. And then we are going to start applying the pink floors. So now I'm just going in with some tape that I also got from the dollar store. And I'm going to basically glue all of the boards together so that when it moves together and not separately, if that makes any sense. Once I'm done, it looks like this. So now the board is basically stuck to the floor, does not move, and it's nice and secure. So now I'm gonna start applying the flooring. So to take the paper off, you just basically peel off this back part and it will expose the sticky part to the flooring. Patterned floor. I'm just going to alternate colors and then we are going to see how this looks. So I'm just going to peel off the back and place this light pink. Okay, so far this is what we got. Don't worry about the wall trim because I have a pink trim that's going to go there. So this is going to be covered with a pink trim, so it's going to look perfectly fine. I could cut a tile hair, but I'll probably do that later on. I'm not really concerned about that. I'm just more concerned about the area that will show when I take my pictures. So if I have any tiles left, I'll cut a piece here so that it aligns perfectly, kind of like a carpet it will look like. Okay guys, so this is how the floors came out. I finished it. I did the trim. I added the corners. There's no white foam board showing. It's absolutely complete and I am so happy. The only thing that I have left to do is the closet area there. I have to have my husband make some shelves for me. And then I'm gonna put like a bunch of like pink decorations and stuff like that. I also want to hang a pink vintage phone on the wall over here. And then I'll be done for now because I also want to add trim. So there's a lot of things I still want to do here. But for now, just to take pictures, this is good. I like the way it came out. It looks super pretty. And I'm super happy with how it came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you remake floors. I would love to see how you guys' rooms or spaces come out. Till next time, guys. Bye.